In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowcharts in Draw.io work for you by utilizing built-in templates, automated connecting arrows, and custom styling to map processes clearly. Let's start right at the beginning. Open Draw.io in your browser or desktop app and create a new diagram. When the template dialog appears, take a moment to explore the flowchart options. Using a template is a great way to jumpstart your diagram, because it comes with basic shapes and connections already in place. Choose a template that's close to the kind of process you're trying to map, then click to create your diagram. Even if you plan to customize heavily, starting from a template saves time and gives you a solid structure. Next, make sure the flowchart shape library is enabled so you have all the common symbols at your fingertips. On the left side, open the More Shapes or Libraries option and look for flowchart or general flowchart categories. Turn those on so you can access process boxes, decision diamonds, start and end shapes, and more. This keeps everything consistent and prevents you from hunting around for the right shape every time. Now, begin laying out your process. Drag a start or terminator shape onto the canvas, then add process steps and decision shapes in roughly the order they occur. Don't worry about perfection at this point, you're just getting the structure down. Once you have a few shapes, use the built-in connecting arrows to link them together. When you select a shape, you'll notice small blue arrows around its edges. Clicking one of these blue arrows automatically creates a new connected shape in that direction, cloning the style and drawing the connector in a single action. This is an efficient way to add a series of steps without constantly dragging shapes from the sidebar. As your diagram grows, keep things readable. Try to align shapes vertically or horizontally and avoid unnecessary line crossings. You can use the alignment guides that appear while dragging to help keep everything neat. To make your flowchart clearer at a glance, apply custom styling. Color code your shapes so different types of elements are easy to distinguish. For example, use one color for regular process steps, another for decision points, and a third for start or end shapes. You can adjust fill colors, borders, and text style from the Format panel, and once you find a look you like, reuse it with the quick cloning arrows. When you're done, zoom out and check that the flow of information is obvious from start to finish. With templates, automated arrows, and thoughtful styling, your Draw.io flowcharts will be both professional and easy to understand.